用具糖果数到 10. Counting to 10 in Mandarin Chinese. 一根香蕉 1 banana. 两个蛋糕 2 cakes. R is used in numbers when counting to 10, giving out a phone number, and so on. Liang is used to say there are 2 of something. 三个苹果 3 apples. 四个蓝莓 4 blueberries. 五个梨 5 pears. 六片西瓜 6 watermelon slices. 七对樱桃 7 pairs of cherries. 八个鸡蛋 8 eggs. 九根胡萝卜 9 carrots. 十个小玉米饼 10 tacos. 用手指数到10. Counting to 10 with our fingers. 一二三四五六七八九十. Counting to 10 in English. 1 O-N-E 1 octopus. 2 T-W-O 2 crabs. 3 T-H-R-E-E 3 bees. 4 F-O-U-R 4 monkeys. 5 F-I-V-E 5 frogs. 6 S-I-X 6 turtles. 7 S-E-V-E-N 7 fish. 8 E-I-G-H-T 8 cats. 9 N-I-N-E 9 rabbits. 10 T-E-N 10 bats. Counting to 10 with our hands. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10